Acquiring a customer is hard, but calculating the cost with Latitude is easy and fast. When you want to know your customer acquisition cost or CAC, you need two dimensions. One, the money you spend on that marketing channel, and two, how many customers you're getting from that marketing channel. In this case, we're running the two most common paid channels, Google Ads and Meta Ads. You can connect to Google Ads and Meta Ads in less than a minute. The first step is to go to our website and sign up. I'll wait. Let's go to Settings, Data Sources, Add New Data Source, and then select the Google Ads connector. Then, you just need to complete the information and you're ready to start querying your data. We want to get from Google Ads your total daily spend and the number of conversions grouped by month. So we're going to add a code block connected to our data source. I'm going to select the month. I'm going to sum the daily spend, and I'm going to call this Google Total Spend. I'm also going to sum the conversions as Google Total Conversions. And then I'm just going to group that by month and order it by month as well. Let's quickly check that the query worked and that the results are what we expected here in the inspector on the right side. And now what I'm going to do is add a line chart and a bar chart, so we can have them in the final CAC dashboard. To do that, I'm just dropping a new chart into the canvas. I'm going to connect it to the transformation that I did earlier. And I'm just going to configure the chart so that it shows the evolution of the total spend by month. I'm going to add a second chart where we can see the total conversions. And now for the final step, I'm going to add another code block where I'm going to calculate the final CAC. So I'm just going to divide the total spend by the number of conversions. I'm just going to call this Google Ads CAC. I'm going to run the query, connect it to a line chart, quickly configure it, and there we go. Now it's time to do the same with Meta Ads. We can simply replicate what we did for Google Ads and we'll get there. Let's get the spend, the conversions, and the CAC. To have a clear comparison between the two paid channels, we can put them together into the same chart, and you don't even need to know SQL to do this. I'm going to use our join transformation block. Select month in both selectors as the join key, and then add a line chart so you can display both in the same place. You probably want to share this with other team members. I'm going to select all the blocks in the canvas, and I'm going to create a view from this selection. Additionally, you can easily share specific charts of the dashboard with your stakeholders. Select the one you want, go to Share, copy the embed selected block code, and paste it directly into Notion, for example. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to calculate your CAC, make sure to sign up for free at latitude.so.